Hey guys, today we are going to make a simple vegetable dish, sauteed string beans with mushrooms. Rinse and drain some string beans, cut them up, and then cut up the mushrooms. Heat the oil in a frying pan. Add minced garlic, add string beans, stir fry for about 2 minutes. Add some salt and pepper. Continue to stir fry. And then add the mushroom. Keep stir frying. Then add about a half cup of water. Turn the heat down to medium and cover for about 5 to 10 minutes. And you can test it by looking to see if the string bean is cooked. And when they're cooked, then it's done. Enjoy this delicious vegetable dish, sauteed string beans with mushroom. Thank you for watching. I'll see you next time.